Do you want to know how to use social media to find your perfect customers, where you don't have to go bother friends and family or go friend request people, because you learn all of this inside the blueprint? How to attract customer to your automated business. So if I go back a few months ago, I was trying to make an income with network marketing. And we had to friend request people, leave in comments, send DMs, and bother friends and family. We had to make a follow-up list, follow up and follow through. And that was the only way I could get customers and make an income. And when I discovered this blueprint, I learned that I was doing it completely wrong. And it shows you how to follow a 2 hours working process and how to attract customers to your automated business. Your automated business does all the sharing, all the selling, and all the follow up and follow through for you. I literally make daily pay without rejection. I don't hear the word no or ask anybody to buy from me. And if you are interested in learning more about this method and willing to follow the blueprint step by step, put yes in the comments and I will get you the details.